When Bu Shao and Ye Shao created the world, it was empty and barren. The two devised a plan and agreed to divide the task of creating a world in their image, filled with abundant and vibrant life. Dividing the task amongst themselves, they agreed that Bu Shao should create the earth in her beauty and Ye Shao would create the sky with his strength. Once they completed their respective tasks, the two would join their pieces together. After several days of crafting, the two had finally finished their duties. However, when they joined the two pieces together, it turned out that the earth was too big and could not be covered with the sky that Ye Shao had created. Watching her husband's despair, Bu Shao simply spread her arms and squeezed the earth inward, ensuring that it would fit with the sky. By shrinking the earth down, this caused wrinkles and creases to form, which turned into valleys and mountains across the earth. Once this task was completed, the two crafted animals of all types and spread them across the lands. These animals had no predators and lived without worry. Without having to fear for their life or work for their food, the animals multiplied at an astounding rate. Realizing that the animal population was growing too quickly, Bu Shao and Ye Shao decided that order must be created on Earth. Together, the two created eagles, wolves, tigers, and hawks to live on Earth. Before releasing these animals, Bu Shao and Ye Shao told the creatures, "In 3 days, we will be releasing tigers, wolves, eagles, and hawks. Now go and prepare your homes for yourselves so that when these predators come, you're out of harm's way." Upon hearing this, all the animals scurried across the lands to begin crafting their homes. The birds built nests within trees, and the mice dug holes down into the ground. But there was one creature that did not move a muscle. The bat simply sat and watched his neighbors work for 3 days. The bat scoffed to himself and said, "Since I have wings, when the predators come, I will simply fly into the bird's nest to hide." As the 4th day arrived, Bu and Ye Shao released the predators onto the earth. All the creatures quickly ran to their homes for protection. The bat saw the hawks and eagles flying above. Quickly, the bat flew right into the bird's nest to hide. As the bat was about to enter the nest, the birds chirped, "Get out! You are not like us! You cannot stay here!" The bat exclaimed, saying, "But I have wings, just like the rest of you, see?" The birds angrily pushed the bat out and reminded him, "Yes, you may have wings like us, but you also have a furry body like a mouse, so you cannot stay with us." Ousted by the birds, the bat swiftly landed on the ground and headed right to the mice burrow. Attempting to enter the mice's home, the bat quickly stopped. The mice shrieked, "You cannot live with us, for you have wings like the birds." And so, the mouse denied the bat from their burrow. Seeing the bat flying alone, the hawks and the eagles quickly chased after it. Afraid, the bat landed on the ground, only to be chased by the wolves. While running for its life, the bat came upon a large Meranti tree. Too scared to perch on the top of the tree, for the eagles and hawks would see him, and too fearful to sit at the base where the wolves would catch him. So, the bat decided to cling to a branch with its feet. By doing so, the bat was able to fool the voracious predators into thinking it had escaped. As the Hmong proverb goes, "Don't be a bat hanging from its feet." The saying is a reminder that one must be diligent and work hard, because if you are like the bat, you might find yourself hung upside down, hiding from hawks and wolves.